Hey, what's up everyone? It is Know with Joe back here. And guys, I think I have just found something that people have said does not exist. Stay with me right here. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we are. We are with my 2023 BMW X5 M50i. I was just cleaning out my engine compartment, and when I was over here cleaning off by the oil fill cap, I saw something right here. Now, anyone who knows these new BMWs knows the way you check your oil is go in your car, let it heat up for a long while, then through there you go through all the menus, you go to oil fill, and you can check the status of your oil. As far as we know, there's no manual place to check your oil, and I think I might have just found it. So if you look down here next to the fill cap, I saw this, and I was like, what is this? So I gave it a little tug, and it came out. And now tell me if I'm wrong, but is this not engine oil? It smells like engine oil to me. I looked on Bimmer Post. I've looked around and people say there's no place to check your oil. Now, I believe I may have just found something new. So let me know your thoughts. I'm excited to see if I just discovered something new. I hope I did, and I hope this helps you all out. Peace. This is awesome. All right, guys. See you later.